All right, so there's what's left of it. That's all fried. Okay, this is just a super quick review of the Hunter Hydrawise Pro-HC. I've got the 24 circuit one, 24 stations. This thing is freaking incredible. I had my old Hunter that I had here, like 15 years old, blew apart because it got hit by lightning. That tree got hit by lightning. I have sprinkler lines running all down here, but lightning hit over there and just blew it apart. And I'll put a clip of that in here. So I bought this one because it was the only one I could find, Hunter, that had at least, I've got like 20, I have 23 circuits or stations. So installing it was super easy. Literally, you just stick it on the wall, hook your stations up to it, and plug it in. And the controls to walk you through setting it up is crazy easy. I've got Wi-Fi over here, so it made it simple. The only thing I had to do was install this one, which is the a signal wire for the pump relay, because like I said, mine runs off of a well, and so I've got a pump for my sprinkler system. That was super easy to do. You use this screen to connect it to Wi-Fi, and once you get it connected to Wi-Fi, you just shut it. I mean, you can, that's the one downside, is this thing is meant for you to use your phone or tablet or whatever, because using this little panel is a pain in the you-know-what. But all I did was select my Wi-Fi network, put in the password, then that's all I've done with this panel. Everything else I did over the phone using the, I've got the Android version of their app. You can also do it on the computer. I actually just went on the computer and set up all my stations and programs and everything. But I've had zero issues with it. It was super simple to plug in. And the coolest thing is if you're used to having, if you're like me, old school, you got to test something. You got to come over here and click it and then run and go watch. Man, your phone, you just push a button and turn it on. So, okay, well, I just turned it on with the phone. And it says perimeter arrow, which means perimeter around pool. I don't know if you can hear the pump running. And then if you look over there, you should see it. I don't know if you can see that far, but I promise you it's running. Then I can actually, if I don't want to use the phone, I can come over here and just click stop. You just heard the thing click, the relay. So if you're on the fence about, I don't know, I don't have an experience with the Rainbird or any other ones. One of the reasons I got this one, because it was a Hunter. I had Hunter, had zero problems with it for it was old. I'll show a pit until it got hit by lightning. But I plugged it in, hooked the wires up, and ran with it. I even, I just numbered each wire as I pulled them off to make it simple to hook it up. The other cool thing is I'm troubleshooting. I got a zone that's not working. You can run a zone, and then it has a report in there where you can pull and see how many amps or milliamps your solenoid's pulling. So if it says 0, then that means you got either the solenoid's completely dead or you got a broken wire or something. So it has some other cool pro features built into it. But if you're a homeowner that has like a lot of zones like me, this is definitely the way to go, because being able to walk around your property, I'm on 3 acres, and 2 of my 3 acres are irrigated. So being able to walk around your property and turn the sprinkler system on and off with your phone is just, God, I should have done this a long time ago. So hope this helps somebody. See ya.